करो तारीफ तेरे चेहरे दी किंज करो तारीफ तेरे जिदड़ दा तेरा मुख वेखे रूह होई याद वन.
Hello you all, welcome back to my channel. This is me Ju. So since the wedding season is still on, मेरे दिमाग में content के लिए सिर्फ और सिर्फ wedding आ रहा है. So today I'm back with another wedding makeup look, but this is going to be a little different and I can say practical because मुझे पता है कि मैं बहुत बार ऐसा सोचती हूँ जब भी मैं कोई शादी में चाहती हूँ कि मैं ऐसा लुक क्रिएट करूँगी, ऐसा लुक क्रिएट करूँगी, बट वो कभी हो नहीं पाता क्योंकि हम जैसे बहुत ज़्यादा ऑक्यूपाइड रहते हैं और टाइम एकदम कट टू कट रहता है फंक्शंस के, संगीत वगैरह वगैरह. सो आई थॉट व्हाई नॉट डू एन आई लुक जिसमें सिर्फ एक ही आई शेडो कलर यूज़ होगा, लाइक सिंगल आई शेडो कलर, नथिंग कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. Like no kajal, nothing. So this is the look which I created and I'm totally loving it. So if you guys want to know how I have achieved this look, please keep on watching. So I have done my base, I have prepped my skin, I have applied my foundation. Now I'm going to directly move on to my concealer. मुझे अपने आई लुक पे ज़्यादा फोकस करना था तो मैंने सोचा पहले मैं अपना prep और foundation कर लूँ. So I'm going to move on with my concealer and this is the Rare Beauty in the shade 270N and I'm just gonna apply under my eyes. The reason why I thought I will start with my concealer is because when I apply concealer under my eyes, I also like to apply it on my lid like this. This will prep your eyes for the eyeshadow and it will make your eyeshadow last really long. And since today we are going just for one single eyeshadow, so we have to prep our eyes, we have to prep our eyelids. I'm using the PAC 219 brush to blend my concealer. कंसीलर क्या कमाल कर देता है चेहरे पे. लाइक लुक एट दिस पार्ट एंड लुक एट दिस पार्ट. नॉट दैट आई डोंट लाइक माई दिस पार्ट, लेकिन कैन यू सी द पावर ऑफ ए कंसीलर. I have been really enjoying this concealer from Rare Beauty. I love it. It has definitely replaced my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. वो भी मुझे बहुत पसंद है लेकिन this one is so hydrating and especially for winters. मैं पता नहीं already ऐसे हो रही हूँ कि मुझे बस Rare Beauty का concealer लगाना है क्योंकि बहुत ही ज़्यादा hydrating है. If you guys want to see my thoughts on Rare Beauty products, I have just uploaded it last week. I'll put it up here so you can go check it out. Concealer is done. Now we are going to move on with a setting powder. I'm going to use the Clinique powder. I'm also really excited to show you guys my updated routine for my concealer. इसके लिए मैंने सोचा कि मैं concealer भी दिखाना चाहूँगी. So what I like to do is, बहुत ही पुराना ट्रिक है लेकिन मैं अभी recently करने लग गई हूँ. I like to take a sponge and this is from Elf Cosmetics. This is such a good sponge and especially the size is really ideal for the technique which I'm going to do now. What I like to do is I like to take some product. I like to pack my powder like this. This is like a really old technique but हमेशा मैं ऐसे सोचती थी कि ये बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, इसके लिए मैं कभी बहुत स्केप्टिकल रहती थी कि मुझे करना चाहिए नहीं करना चाहिए. बट मैंने रिसेंटली ट्राई किया, घर पे बैठी थी तो, और इट वर्क रियली वेल. आई थिंक मुझे मिरर पे देख के करना चाहिए. And now I will let it sit for 10 minutes and तब तक हम अपना eye makeup कर लेते हैं. First I will take this fluffy brush from Morphe. By the way, recently I got this Morphe eye brush set from Nykaa जब वो सेल चल रहा था और बस ये शायद मैं पहली बार यूज़ करूँगी. I'm taking some setting powder. I'll apply it all over my eyes like this. Never forget to apply your setting powder on your eyelids क्योंकि जब आप concealer लगाते हो तो it tends to crease. So to avoid that, always apply your setting powder. Also, I want my eyelids to be even toned and matte and a powder does it all. Today I'm going to use this one. This is the Huda Beauty Sapphire Obsession and since my dress is a combination of blue and yellow, so I'm going to go on with this color. This is the same color which I'm wearing. Yellow भी मैं लगा सकती थी but I think weddings और फंक्शंस में येलो इतना खास नहीं लगेगा. सो आई विल गो विद दिस वन. Let's start the eye makeup. First, I'm going to take this flat brush, and this is from Morphe, that eye set, eye brush set, and I'm going to take some product. So I will start with packing the color like this. Now repeating the same step. To be honest, इसका कोई process नहीं है. You just have to repeat the same freaking step until you get the desired pigment, until you get the desired color. So I'm just going to do that. To be honest, I'm not really happy with the eyeshadow color. I think I'll go in with this color and I'll use my finger this time. मुझे कोई ब्रश की ज़रूरत नहीं है, मेरी उंगली सब कर रही है. I think we got the color. We just have to clean this part. So for that, I'm going to take some concealer on my hand. So this eye is done. Now I know this is not up to the mark, but trust the process. I'm just going to quickly do my this eye and I'll be right back. So this eye is also done. Now I'm just going to wipe any kind of fallouts. I'm loving it now. And now I'm also gonna apply some eyeshadow to my lower lashes. You can also add some kajal or liner, but I just want to go on with just one color, as I told you guys. By the way, this brush is from Plume and it's P08. And again, I'm just gonna wipe any kind of fallouts. Speak. I'm gonna take this color called Moon Dust from Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, and I'm going to apply it to my inner corner. This will just lift the whole look. And now to complete my look, I'm going to go in with my mascara, and this is the Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara. Okay guys, so my eye look is done and I'm so happy how it has turned out. I'm just gonna quickly complete the rest of my face, blush, highlighter and bronzer, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back and this is the final look. And trust me, this whole eye look just took me like 10 minutes, और वो भी मैं बात करते करते कर रही थी, एक्सप्लेन करते करते कर रही थी इसलिए. और अगर आप बिना बात किए करेंगे, so it will just take the half of the time which I took like 5 minutes. So I really love how it's looking, and in person I think ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है, मैं ऐसे मिरर में देख रही हूँ तो. और yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you found this helpful and exciting. And thank you so much for watching it, and I'll see you next Friday. Bye.